Doug is way faster than you. That's fair. Good. See how nice and smooth that was?
Yeah. Jag.
That was him. He should have watched your change of arm. That wasn't even your fault.
You always tell me everything's my fault.
Well, Doug loves to blame the dog too. I'm surprised he said that was his fault.
Good dog.
Nice. Yes, good boy. Good rewarding. Holy crap. You got that on film?
I did.
Holy cow, I'm going to put that on YouTube. He does listen.
I'm
That's
just,
on YouTube too.
yeah. I'm just trying out this new phone. Shh, Jaggy.
Yay!